Okay, we're at an EVgo station in Plymouth Meeting, Pennsylvania. 67% state of charge. This station has just added a Tesla plug, which is powered from this CHAdeMO plug here. There's a CHAdeMO adapter inside this box. Tesla cable comes out the back and it goes up to here. So, let's give this a shot. Plug that in. Select CHAdeMO. Tap. And press CHAdeMO. Hearing some contactors. Got a blue light here. And we got a green light. Okay, it says it's delivering 48 kilowatts to the car. Let's go see what the car's getting. So we're getting 45. That's kind of expected. I never get exactly the amount that the screen says it's delivering. But I'm quite happy getting 45 kilowatts out of this DC fast charger using an actual Tesla plug on an EVgo station. This is a great addition. Thank you, EVgo. It said it's only going to take 10 minutes to charge. Fantastic.